Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. In this video, we are going over a quick summary of the PMP exam. So if you don't know what the PMP exam is all about and want to understand the specifics of the exam, then the next few minutes are going to be very important. So stick around, let's get started. So to begin with, the exam is 230 minutes long, which is just 10 minutes short of 4 hours. So 230 minutes for the exam. Within these 230 minutes, you can take two optional breaks of 10 minutes each. Remember, these breaks are optional. It is not mandatory for you to take these breaks, but if you decide to, you can take up to 10 minutes for each break. Now you need to solve 180 questions in the PMP exam. So you have 230 minutes and within those 230 minutes you need to solve 180 questions. Out of these 180 questions, 175 questions are scored. So your result is based on these 175 questions. 5 questions are called pre-test questions, which are basically used by PMI internally for their survey and for their studies and research purposes. So what's the content of the exam? The content basically spans the value delivery spectrum. How do you deliver value? And you use all three: waterfall, agile, and hybrid. You use these for delivering value, and this is what you are going to be tested on in the exam. So let's talk about the type of questions in the exam. In addition to the usual multiple choice questions, you also have other types of questions in the exam. So multiple choice questions, that's simple, right? That's the usual. Those are the classic questions where you have a question and then you have four options and you can basically select the right option. So that's how you do multiple choice questions. But then you also have multiple responses. So you can have more than one correct answer in a question. So these are also a type of questions that you can expect in the PMP exam. You can also expect matching questions. So you need to match the answers, right? So that's also something that you can expect. You can expect hotspot questions and you can also expect fill in the blank question. Now, if you're wondering what is this hotspot question, so these are basically graphical questions and there is a prototype of questions available on the PMI website. I'll link to it in the description below. You can go there and you can check the prototype questions to understand what are these different type of questions. Let's talk about the PMP exam domains now, because the PMP now focuses more on the domains. It is divided into three domains. First is people, emphasizing the skills and activities associated with effectively leading a project team. So this is the first domain that PMP exam focuses on: people. Second is process. This basically reinforcing the technical aspects of managing a project. This is where you will find all the knowledge areas, all the process groups, all the processes, right? All of this will be part of process. And finally, the third one is business environment, highlighting connection between projects and organization strategy. So that's business environment for you. These three are the PMP exam domains. So what are some of the resources that you can use to clear your PMP exam? Well, you can first of all head over to pmclounge.com. That is the #1 free PMP resource available out there. Thousands of PMP aspirants have cleared their exam using our resources, right? Our articles and our free videos. So head over to pmclounge.com. Now, of course, you also need books. We have listed all the latest most up-to-date books, list of books available on pmclounge.com/resources. So check that out. youtube.com/pmclounge. These are all the videos that we have ever made explaining every single project management and PMP topic. So subscribe to this channel, head over to the channel, check these videos out, extremely helpful. And of course, there are resources available on the PMI website. Like I said, prototype questions are available. The exam content outline is a fantastic document that you should refer to. We've actually covered all the resources that are available on PMI over on our YouTube channel itself. So if you subscribe and check out the videos on youtube.com/PMC Lounge, our official YouTube channel, you will be covered in terms of the resources offered by PMI as well. So that was the quick PMP exam summary. I hope you got value out of this video. Smash that like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. And as always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. And I wish you all the best for your PMP exam.